Welcome to this in-depth review of the Ellipal Titan cryptocurrency wallet. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about this state-of-the-art cold wallet. The Ellipal Titan is renowned for its completely air-gapped design, which means it operates without any online connectivity, significantly enhancing your security. From its robust aluminum alloy body to its tamper-proof seal, the Ellipal Titan is engineered to protect your assets from both cyber and physical threats. Upon unboxing, you'll notice the wallet's sleek, durable design. It's built to last and designed to be intuitive, even for beginners. The large touchscreen display is a standout feature, providing a seamless and user-friendly interface. Setting up the wallet is straightforward. After downloading the Ellipal app, you'll scan the QR code displayed on the Titan to pair it securely. This process ensures that no data is transmitted online, keeping your private keys safe. Ellipal Titan supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more. Its firmware updates are delivered via microSD cards, ensuring the wallet remains offline throughout the process. Transaction verification is made secure through QR code scanning, allowing you to confirm transactions without exposing your private keys to potential vulnerabilities. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. One of the key advantages of the Ellipal Titan is its seamless integration with decentralized apps and exchanges. This makes it a versatile tool for traders and hodlers alike. Whether you're swapping tokens or managing your portfolio, the Titan provides a secure environment for all your crypto activities. Another notable feature is its anti-disassembly protection. If the wallet detects any tampering, it automatically wipes all stored data, safeguarding your private keys. This ensures that even if the device is stolen or compromised, your assets remain secure. The companion Ellipal app is a critical component, allowing you to manage your funds, monitor your portfolio, and execute transactions with ease. The app's intuitive design complements the hardware wallet perfectly, making it accessible for users of all levels of expertise. What makes the Ellipal Titan stand out from the competition? It's the combination of advanced security features, user-friendly design, and wide compatibility. This wallet is perfect for anyone who prioritizes the safety of their crypto assets without sacrificing functionality. Smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with the latest in cryptocurrency security.